untouched 1996 Impala SS. A time capsule on wheels, a remarkably preserved 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS, still wrapped in factory plastic in places, is set to be auctioned, offering a rare glimpse into automotive history. This low-mileage example, with just 78 miles, 126 km on the odometer, represents a vanishing breed of full-size sedans in an era dominated by SUVs and crossovers. A last of its kind, the Impala SS was produced during the final year of its generation, making this car a particularly significant find. It comes complete with original documentation, including the window sticker, offering a comprehensive record of its factory specifications. The reason for its extremely low mileage remains unknown, but it has been stored in a climate-controlled garage since new, ensuring its pristine condition. Preserved to perfection, the exterior is finished in a simple black paint, retaining the original 5-spoke 17-inch wheels now fitted with Riken Raptor ZR-AS SL tires. The car's design stands out for its straightforward aesthetic, a contrast to the often busy styling of modern sedans. The interior is equally untouched, with gray leather surfaces still covered in protective plastic on the seats, floor mats, and steering wheel. This level of preservation is exceptional, offering a unique opportunity to own a piece of automotive history in its original state. Performance specs under the hood: the Impala SS is powered by Chevrolet's 5.7-liter LT1 V8 engine, producing 260 horsepower and 330 lb-ft of torque. This power is delivered through a 4-speed automatic transmission to the rear wheels, enabling a 0-60 mph, 97 km/h, sprint in around 7.2 seconds, and a top speed of approximately 130 mph. The Impala SS also featured a firmer suspension and upgraded brakes compared to standard Impala models of the era, enhancing its driving dynamics. The battery has been replaced in preparation for the auction, but the original tires remain untouched, ideally suited for display rather than actual use after nearly 3 decades in storage. Market value: when new, the Impala SS carried a sticker price of $26,192, including options and destination charges. Adjusted for inflation, this equates to roughly $55,100 in today's money. Given its exceptional condition and low mileage, this time-warp sedan is expected to fetch a significant price at auction. Auction details: the 1996 Impala SS will be auctioned on January 10 by Meckham Auctions. While a pre-sale estimate hasn't been released, the car's unique condition suggests it will attract considerable interest from collectors and enthusiasts. The auction listing is available for those seeking further details. This Impala SS represents more than just a car. It's a preserved artifact of a bygone era, offering a rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history in its untouched, factory-fresh condition.